students, today I am teaching 8th class 9th chapter area of the plane figures first exercise ma. The first exercise the third one. So what the question? Calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD when the length of the diagonal AC is equal 10 centimeter and the length of perpendiculars from B and D on ACB 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay. So let us take A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what one? In a polygon having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Okay. Here calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD then the length of the diagonal. Diagonal means what ma? A line is joining the opposite vertices of a closed curve is called diagonal. Its length is how much? 10 centimeter. Next, and the length of perpendicular. Perpendicular means a line which is joining to another line meet at a point, the angle is formed 90 degrees. So, and the length of perpendiculars from B and D, B నుంచి perpendicular. So, we can construct one line from B to AC, meet at AC on a point, the angle is how much ma? 90 degrees. Why? They are asking that perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? Any two lines or one line is passing through another line, meet at one point, the angle is formed 90 degrees. Okay, that line is called perpendicular. Here, and the length of perpendiculars from from B we can construct one line on AC, meet at a point, the angle is how much ma? 90 degrees, and D ma. From the D, we can construct one line, meet at a line AC at a point F. The angle is how much ma? 90 degrees. So, from B and D, we can construct perpendicular. Its length is, one is 5 centimeter, another one is 6 centimeter. Okay, now they are asking that area of quadrilateral. So, area of quadrilateral is equal to sum of area of these two triangles. So, when you construct on the diagonal, then form two triangles. What are the two triangles? ABC and ADC. Okay, in these two triangles, AC is the base, height is BE, another height in the triangle ADC DM. Okay, so even ABCD is a quadrilateral. Length of a diagonal AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Length of perpendicular from B and D on AC is equal 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. That is E is equal 5 centimeter, DF is equal 6 centimeter. So we know that area of a quadrilateral is equal sum of area of these two triangles. So area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ABC. In this ABC, base is AC, height is B. In this triangle ADC, base is AC, height is DM. Okay. Area of triangle ABC ma. What the formula area of triangle? Half into base into height. That is half into, in triangle ABC the base is AC, height is BE. In the triangle ADC, half into base AC, height is BF. So that is half into AC, then BE is 5 plus half into 10 into BF is 6. In these two, what are the common? 1 by 2 into 10. 1 by 2 into 10. So take the outside. What are the remaining? 5 plus 6. So 1 jar to 5 jar. 5 in 5 plus 6, 11. 5 11 jar, 55 centimeter square. So therefore, area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal 55 centimeter square. Diagram of the adjacent figure, adjacent frame has outer dimensions is 24 and 28. That means length is 28, breadth is 24. In inner dimensions is length is 20, breadth is 16. Okay, so what asking that find the area of shaded part of frame. Okay, they asking that it is the frame. In this frame, it is the shaded part. They asking that the shaded part area. Okay, so in this shaded part, they given that what they given that it width of each section is the same. That means this width, it is the width. Okay, this is the same. Here same. Here same. Here same. Okay, so here, okay, they given that area of shaded region 1. So here these two lines are parallel. Okay, here 20, here 28. That means this 20 centimeter is a part of 28 centimeter. So that means what the remaining here? Its length is how much more? 20. What the remaining length more? 8. So they given that width of each part is same. So that means the 8 centimeter is divided into two parts. It is 4 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter. Here also they given that breadth is 24. Inner is breadth is 16. Okay, so here also same. The 16 centimeter is a part of 24. So what the remaining? 8 centimeter. So its length is 4 4. Here also 4 4. Here also 4 4. Now the area of trapezium. Okay, the shaded part is in the form of trapezium. Okay, so the area of trapezium is equal. How we can find? Half into distance between two parallel sides and sum of two parallel sides. Okay. Area of shaded region is equal. Area of the shaded region is in the shape of trapezium. So that is area of a trapezium. Okay. So area of trapezium is equal half into the distance between two parallel sides into sum of two parallel sides. So the distance between two parallel sides is 4. Sum of two parallel sides 20 and 28. Okay. So that is half into h into a plus b. That is equal to half into h. 4 into a 28 b 20. So half into 4 into 28 plus 20 48. So 2 1 jar 2 2 jar 248 96 centimeter square. So therefore area of a shaded region is equal to 96 centimeter square. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మా ఫైండ్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ షేడెడ్ రీజియన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ఫిగర్ ఇఫ్ ద విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ సేమ్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్రేమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద విడ్త్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద విడ్త్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద విడ్త్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద విడ్త్ ద విడ్త్ ఈస్ సేమ్ ఓకే సో హియర్ width is same, that means this line and this line is parallel, these two are parallel, these two are parallel, these two are parallel.